What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful E.MAS 7 Prime that we have right in front of us here. Now the color of this car is in quartz rose. Let's take a walk around to show you guys how beautiful this car looks before we head right down to the passenger side and more details of how physical this car actually is beautiful looking. So let's take a look at all the chrome linings at the side of the doors, and now let's start off with the front. So as you can see right here, these are the daytime running lights at the top, right? So these are your main headlights at the bottom right here. Now I love how edgy and sharp the lights actually looks really beautiful and sleek, man. Now you get some aggressive looking design for the front features of the bumper that we have right here, and I believe these should be your turn indicators that will light up on the side right here. Amazing. You got some cooling purposes for your battery to be going in through this side right here. You got your 360 camera for the front, and you got this amazing, love this logo that we have right here. You can actually feel it, and that's what's nice. Number plate goes right there. You got your sensors located all over the car. But yeah, take a look at the front hood. Very sleek like design. You got these design like elements for the front. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, it's not that edgy but very beautiful looking at the same time. Now let's move on to the side of the car. What we'll notice is that the wheels, the tire size is 225, 55, R18, and these are the wheel like designs that we have right here. You got some two-tone finish, amazing cut like design, solid disc brakes on the inside, calipers on the outside. Beautiful looking physical car that we have right here. Black wheel arch in a matte finish, so not in a gloss black, not like this, different like. Signal turn indicator lights should be over here, but yeah, check out the mirror. You got this chrome lining at the top that goes all across the car, continues down here, goes back to the front. Door handles, whenever it's unlocked, it will be shooting outwards like that. But before that, check out the black piece that we have at the bottom side of the door, also similar towards the side here and also the front door. But yeah, now let's take a look at the doors. Door handles are right here. You got your speakers down here, those are down here as well. Compartment storage is over here, and your window to wind up and wind down is over here as well. So some grey finish over here. Amazing touches right here, together with this chrome lining on this side right here. Amazing. Blind spot assist is available as well for the mirrors on the outside. But let's take a look at the inside and what we will notice. Check this out, man, dude. Love these finishing touches that we have. Different design on the seats. Even right here at the bottom, half of it is different, half of it is different, and it's super soft and nice. You got to be here to feel this in person, but let's take a seat. And what are we currently feeling? Well, what I'm feeling is that there are a lot of space, man, dude. Speakers are located right there, air vents right here, very sleek like design. I love the screen that they have displayed right here. Very elegant looking shape of the car. Compartment storage down here. You got your type C charging right there, your USB-C, other charging capabilities down here as well. And let's close that. But yeah, huge storage space. So you got your other adjustments like your to blow away the fogged up glass. You also get your, I believe this is for air circulation, so your air doesn't come in from the outside. Auto for the aircon. This is your fan and aircon to on and off. But yeah, amazing screen like display. Other settings which we will get to in the future, but for now, today's video is just to show you guys what you will be looking at. But yeah, amazing screen. I believe this will be a wheel for your volume and volume up and volume down and whatnot, because the gear is on the right. But we will get to the driver's side shortly. But in the meantime, frameless mirrors. You got your amazing, whoa, I like how there's a slot here to keep your card. Amazing touch. Cool, man. So this is me sitting comfortably at the front without adjusting the rear seats just yet. But let's take a look at the back seats. Door handles are popped out like this. Amazing. So let's open that up. Now you'll notice your door handles right here. You got this black finish over there. You got your window adjustments right there. Compartment storage down here. Speakers right there. Check out the space at the back. Super huge. I love how huge this looks, man, dude. So much of space. Now let's hop on in. So as you can see, front seats were not adjusted earlier and I'm comfortably sitting at the back. Amazing layout. So the front is super cool. Check out the back space. A lot of storage, man. A lot of storage that we have right here. A lot of leg room. I mean, lights are up there, handles up here. Let's move to the center. What do we see? Well, air vent adjustments. You got your Type-C charging together with your USB-C, compartment storage down here. Fantastic. And we are taking a look at this beautiful setup of the main screen. And your top here, the fabric finish, right? Super nice and very well done. Thought out is amazing. So let's open up the other side and get down. Check out the rear wheels. Now the wheels on this are, where's tire size again? 225, 55, R18. So these are the rear wheel size. You got your amazing two-tone finish, solid disc for the back. Love this design. Fantastic, man. Now let's take out the back boot. Before that, lights. Check out how it goes all the way here, cuts down here. Got 3 separations here and 1 light right there, so very nice touch. This spacing that's having right here together with the side. Your wiper is located right there, brake lights up there. Your roof, same color as the body. You got your chrome railings at the side as well. Right here, this matte finish. It's a matte silver finish. This is the chrome like, so cool. So let's open up the rear boot. Press and pull. Amazing storage space that we have. This should be your tire repair kit, some other compartment storage at the side here. Not sure what's underneath, but yeah, more space to keep more stuff. A lot of storage space. Now, got some lighting over there, some hook over here, hook over here. Now let's fold down the rear seats. Show you guys. Check that out, man. So much of storage space that we have on this car. Let's fold this down again. Check that out. Amazing storage space. Can absolutely store something super huge and it wouldn't be a problem. Amazing layout. Now let's close the rear boot, or before that, one more angle from this side. Check that out. Amazing space. So let's close the rear boot and take a look at the back. Proton wordings in chrome. You got your E.MAS 7 right here. Very nicely done. Reflectors over there. Number plate goes there. Sensors are all the way at the back. And your amazing rear diffuser. It is two-tone finish. You got some glossy finish. You got some matte finish. Very nice for a car like this. Now let's move to the driver's seat to show you guys what does it feel like to be sitting in the driver's seat. But before that, let's take a look. Window adjustments, child lock for the windows. I believe this should be child lock for the rear doors as well. And also you're looking, or maybe is this the lock to, yeah, child lock for the rear doors, I believe. So these are window adjustments, side mirror adjustments, and over there, that's where you adjust it. Compartment storage over here, speakers, handle. Amazing. So let's move to the driver's side. Sitting in the driver's seats, of course, what's beautiful is that the steering wheel shape, it's shaped differently, as you can see, very uniquely designed. You got your other adjustments over here, volume up, volume down, I believe, and this one's right here to control the screen, so voice command and other settings that you can choose. Love this texture where you can feel the logo. Your gear, drive, reverse and P, fantastic. You also get your wiper adjustments together with your lighting over here, so that's very cool. And again, I'm sitting right in the center. My hand is right in the center right here, sitting comfortably, and compartment storage down there. You got your wireless charging happening over here. Other storage down here, very nice indeed. And also, let's push that. 2 cup holders located down here. I believe this is some slot where you can slot something in, maybe like your card if you don't want it rolling around. Very nice indeed. So this is me sitting in the driver's seat of the car, front seat right here. Cool. Very nicely designed. A lot of space, man. Now you got your pedals right there. The boot opening is right here. Now we're not going to open up that, but yeah. So yeah. So this is the Quartz rose exterior, and yeah, if you'd like to find out more about the E.MAS 7, this is the E.MAS 7 Prime. Do head down to Glenmarie and find out more about their cars. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.